Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious margarita using Jose Cuervo mix. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need Jose Cuervo margarita mix, your favorite tequila, and plenty of ice. Don't forget to choose your glassware, perhaps a classic margarita glass, and prepare any garnishes like fresh lime wedges or salt for the rim. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get to mixing. The standard ratio is 2 parts Jose Cuervo margarita mix to 1 part tequila. Pour these ingredients into a cocktail shaker that's already filled with ice. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 seconds. This chilling and mixing action is crucial for a perfectly blended and refreshing drink. You'll feel the shaker get nice and cold. It's time to prepare your glass and serve. If you like a salted rim, gently moisten the edge of your glass and dip it into salt or sugar. Then, carefully strain the chilled margarita from your shaker into your prepared glass. For that classic finish, add a fresh lime wedge to the rim. Your refreshing margarita is now ready to be enjoyed. Cheers to your homemade creation. Here are a few tips to elevate your margarita experience. Feel free to adjust the tequila to mix ratio to suit your personal preference for strength. Don't be afraid to experiment with various types of tequila, like Blanco or Reposado, to discover new flavor profiles. And for a different twist, simply blend your mixed margarita with ice until smooth to create a fantastic frozen version. Enjoy customizing your perfect drink.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.